Hi, good afternoon, everybody. This is our daily agenda for Friday, March 5th. Reminders today is evens, your elective choice form. I had quite a few of you that did not finish that. If you have not finished it, I need you to submit that today. I will be holding those of you that have still not submitted it today. All right, so we are moving on. Today is our final assessment of the Outsiders. We are closing up our unit. So for today, we are going to be taking the final assessment. It is going to be located in your Google Classroom under the Outsiders final assessment. If you are not in class, please let me know because I'm going to have to manually open it so you can actually take your test. So it has to be taken during this class period. That being said, take your time. There's not that many questions. I think it's about 30 questions total max. But you guys, we've studied over these. We reviewed these questions. You guys know the answers to these questions. If you have finished, go ahead. You in class would work on your chapter response pages, and ultimately do your best, you guys. You guys know this book. We've gone over it. We've discussed it every day, so you guys are going to be just fine. And these are your chapter response pages. Reminder, it is due this Sunday, 3/7 or March 7th at 11:59 p.m. What is due is your chapters 1 through 12 free writes, your chapters 1 through 12 response pages, your character chart, and your quote page. That is what is due. So that entire packet. Make sure to complete all sections and complete sentences, ladies and gentlemen. So that is what's due on our homework. And then last but never least, our wrap up for the day. One last thing to remember. Teenagers, you guys, are in the area of conflict between the person that they are, the one that they want to be, and the one that they might be. This is by John Green, writer of Looking for Alaska and The Fault in Our Stars. Super famous writer. So I want to ask you guys, as our last question, what are some barriers that hold us back from making long and lasting connections? All right, guys, it was really good going with you guys through The Outsiders, and I'm glad a lot of you guys did end up liking this novel. As always, if you guys have any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you guys in class.